Alright, today we got a pond that we're gonna fish. We're looking for some monster bass. The claims are there's some really good sized bass in here. This is my buddy Randy, and he's the one that has the claims that these are in here. So I'm on.
We pulled bass out of here, every bit of 2 and 3 pounds, sometimes 4. There's monster crappie in here, so we're gonna go down here and see what we can tie into.
Let's go find the shade.
Oh, there's little fishies. Beautiful pond. All sandy bottom. Oh, there's one in the water. He's about to rig up.
Texas rig. We got bass eating dog dog. That's
Hi, puppy. Come here. Oh, you got one.
good size dude. Great, that's a healthy bass. That's probably 4. Good looking healthy guy.
Yep.
Not a bad looking guy.
Oh, about a pound and a half. He's just healthy as hell. Look at that.
Yep.
Go, bud. Oh, he was a big dude, dude. Threw it right there. He didn't even have the hook. He was just holding on. He didn't even knock the skin hook out. Yeah, go on. All right, I'm getting serious. I'm putting the big one.
Bait dropper, bass dropper. Get him!
Dude, look at this guy, man. Like, he's like right there. They both wanted that word. That is nuts, dude. 2 pounds. Guy. Very good looking.
Pull him long ways.
Good looking guy.
You were the fish.
Man, I cannot believe that other one came up. He's hooked up. Yeah, dude, he looks really good size. Another 2 pounder, huh? Yeah. Nice job, dude. Beautiful looking bass, man. Just beautiful. I'm gonna get her hooked up on the Texas rig. I think this jig is snagging up. I knew I didn't have a good hook set on him. Dang it. Dang, man. He looked big from back here. Oh, he's a good sized little chunkaroo, isn't he? All right, man. That's the biggest one so far, right?
Yep, that's a nice one there. I can flip my worm off and every stuff.
Yeah, he's about 3 pounds. About 3 pounds, good 3 pounds.
Oh yeah.
Picture.
Oh yeah. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my God, look at that big one right there. That big one was like, what the hell's all this commotion? Dude, he was right there by the cattails where I just pitched into. He didn't hit me. Another little, fine little bass. All right. Man, they look good in there. All right, I see this big one right down here. It's pretty good size. There. God, dude. Every time I get a guy, every time I get a big one, man, I can't get the hook set on him. Oh, he looks lofty. Yeah, about 2.5, 2. Yeah, good size 2-pounder. Boy, this is fun though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
This is fun. The only bass fishing you've done this year?
Yeah, this is the first time I went fishing this year.
Well, at least you knew where to go, man.
Right.
Yeah, that's beautiful, man. These bass out here have got great colors in. It's just gorgeous looking bass. It sounds like it's beer 30 for Renee over there. Still on hunt for monsters. Hooked into 2 of them, haven't landed it. Well, what 2 seem like really good sized bass. Getting a few of them. Ah, boy, oh boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's at least 3. Yeah, that's a big boy right there. That's a good sized dude. Power worm.
Big old boy.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. It's probably the biggest of the year right there. Uh-oh, she got one.
I got 2. There's 2 of them right here. It's not coming in. He's got my hook, but
Man, dude, that other one is that is so funny.
you see this one?
Wait, let me get it.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Yeah. Check it. Oh, oh, here he is again. He ain't messing with it, is he? Yeah. You sucked him right up out of the water, didn't you? Stop it. So the weightless is working. Weightless is working quite well. Oh yeah, he's barely hooked there. You got him. Good job, babe. All right. It's 2:30. We've got what, another hour? I think Randy said he had to be back by 4:30, so still hog hunt.
Not a bad little fella.
No, about another 2-pounder. Good looking fish in here. Yeah, boy, I can barely feel him. Barely feel him. Oh, sucker. Calm down, son. All right. Did we find the hog? Oh.
I got it with it.
Yeah, buddy.
That's a hoss.
Yeah. He's got 4 pound, 4.5, huh? 4?
Oh, every bit of it. That is a jewel.
Good looking guy right there. He finally went after the purple culprit, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Right here in the rock. I see him come out and dig into that rock and get it. I was like, oh,
Yep. I'd say maybe the tales are true that there's some monster bass in here.
right.
All right.
Oh, you got me.
There you go. All right, well, it's time to peel out here today. I think collectively we got about 16, 17 fish sampled. A couple big ones didn't land. They seemed like it would be 3, 3.5. But I think Randy, the claim is true. They have some hogs in there. We went hog hunting. I think we found one.
Yeah, that last part was
The claim was 6 and 7. Well, we'd have to do that another day, but I'm not sure. We should get some sketches.
Maybe my biggest one of the year.
We go hog hunting. Don't even be scared.
right. Productive day.
All right. I hope you all enjoy the video.